Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provide in both the free group and the VIP group. If you are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. You can also text us on Telegram at bbinary support. So, let's start the video. The session started and this was the free signal on AUDCAD for a downside move. Let me explain the trade. We got the entry above the level, and from that level, it was a clean win. So, we won our first trade. Now let's move on to the second trade, which we provided on AUDCAD again for a downside move in the VIP group. Let me explain the trade. Here you can see a fake breakout, so that's why we provided a signal for the downside move. This was also a clean win. Let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on AUDUSD for a call side upside move. Let me explain the trade. Here you can see a support level, and the previous candle was also taking rejection from that support level. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was a clean win as well. So the session ended here, and we won 3 non-martingale trades. If you want to access these types of trades, you can text us on Telegram. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any topics or suggestions, feel free to comment. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.